Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to see exercise 14th B and we are constructing a quadrilateral. Now in this question, given that three sides and the two diagonals. So here the rough figure we have drawn first. AB is what? 4.5 centimeter. BC is 3.5 centimeter. AD is 3 centimeter and AC is what? Diagonal 5 centimeter and BD is 4.5 centimeter. So this is a question in which the two diagonals given. So let's start according to this. First draw AB 4.5 centimeter. So friend, this is AB 4.5 centimeter. Now we need to take B to C. Considering B as a center, we'll draw the arc of the 3.5 radius. So just take a rounder and just take 3.5 in this. It is 3.5. So with a B as a center, you need to cut this arc here. Again, with A as a center, I will draw A to C, that is given 5 centimeter in order to get a point C. So I'll take A to C 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter. Keeping A as a radius, I'll intersect this arc. So the point which you get is a C here. You can join this line. This is BC, which is 3.5 centimeter. And this is AC, which is again 5 centimeter. Now we can go A to D, that is 3 centimeter. So take this 3 centimeter and with A as a center you can cut an arc here. Now one more point I am having B to D, that is BD 4.5. So take BD 4.5. So with the B as a center you can cut this arc here. So again I need to, that you can see here it is not touching. So once again I will take A to D 3. So once you got this point, this is a point D. Join A to D, which is 3 centimeter, and then this D to C. This also you need to join. This is another diagonal 4.5 centimeter. So this is a quadrilateral you have constructed with 2 diagonals and 3 sides, A, B, C, D. So friends, now again we need to draw the another quadrilateral PQRS. The same concept is there, the 2 diagonals given. First of all, we'll draw the rough figure. According to that, the rough sketch, we'll draw the fair part. So first of all, you need to draw RS, that is 4.5. 4.5 you will take. Okay. So this is 4.5 centimeter RS. Then this side is given PS and PR. They both are 5.5. So first of all, take 5.5 here. Measurement. This is 5.5. So once with S as a center, you cut a one arc. This is SP, and in the same way P to R also that. So from here you will cut this arc. Just cut this arc because the distance from P to R and P to S is same. So you got a point PS. This is a point P, and this is a PR. They both are same. This is 5.5. Again, this is also 5.5 centimeter. So this is the isosceles triangle one we got. Now from R to Q we need to go. That is RQ is there 7 centimeter. So we'll take 7 centimeter in a rounder. So this is a 7 centimeter. Now we take R as a center and we will cut here this arc 7 centimeter. Now somewhere here located the point Q. So QS is distance given. So we'll take a QS 9.5. So again we'll open and we'll select a 9.5, which is going to be longer one. It is 9.5. So take S as a center and cut this arc. So friends, whatever the intersection point you got here, it is Q. Join this Q to R. It is 7 centimeter. And then Q to S also will join this another diagonal, which is 9.5 centimeter. And at last the 2 points which we got, it is PQ. You can join that. So friends, this is a PQRS quadrilateral we have made. Now friends, this is a exercise 14th C. So what do we have to do? ABCD we have to construct a quadrilateral in which AB side is 5 centimeter, BC side is 4 centimeter, CD side is what? 7 centimeter. Again one angle is given, angle B 80 degree. So friend, now the sides are there and included angle also there. So now first of all we'll construct the rough sketch. According to the rough sketch we'll draw here fair diagram. So first of all construct AB. AB is what? 5 centimeter. Like you can go clockwise, anti-clockwise also. So AB is what here? 5 centimeter. So we'll take AB 5 centimeter. And then important thing given that at AB it is 80 degree is their measurement. So take a protractor and just measure it. This is a point B. So at B you keep it. Some angles you can draw with the help of rounder also, compass, or otherwise you can use this protractor. So 80 degree, this is exactly 90 degree. Less than 90 acute angle is this. So this is what? 80 degree. I'll mark here 80. So now I can draw a ray. This is a ray. I'm going to draw a ray here. Or you can just draw the simple line here, okay? And measurement right down here, this is a 80 degree. Now friends, B to C given, that is a 4 centimeter. So just take a radius of 4 centimeter. Take a radius of 4 centimeter. Here it is coming. And just B as a center. You need to locate a point here C. This is a point C coming. This and this is a 4 centimeter. Because given BC is what? 4 centimeter. Now we need to take from C to D 6 centimeter. So we'll take 6 centimeter radius. This is 6. So take 6 centimeter from C to D. Somewhere it is a point going to come D. We don't know exact, just we'll take from A to D 7 centimeter. It is 7 centimeter. So from this point you cut this arc. It is going to come here. So what we'll do, again the C to D distance 6 centimeter will take, and so that the intersection will meet. So friends, from here only just take out this. So we got our D point. So this is a D. Just join these 2 points. AD is what friends? 7 centimeter. And this is C point. This is DC is what? 6 centimeter. So our quadrilateral is this one, ABCD. This is a C point here. So now friends, we need to construct another quadrilateral PQRS, in which side PQ is equal to QR, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and another two side PS is equal to RS is equal to 5.2 centimeter. and angle at Q is given as 120 degree. So here is a rough sketch. So let's start making that quadrilateral. First of all, take PQ as a 3.5. So we'll take PQ 3.5 here. This is P and this is Q point. At Q we need to draw the 120. So 120 you can draw using this rounder also. Take any radius and just cut one arc here. And with the same radius you need to cut one more arc. This is a 60 degree, and with the point another you got draw 120 degree. So the point here which you got is a 120 degree. So I'll just draw 120 degree here. Somewhere here it is point QR. You can measure here also if you want to just check it. It is friend, it is coming 120 degree. Okay, this is 120 degree. Now we want to draw QR. QR is somewhere here on this ray. So QR is 3.5 again. So we'll take 3.5 here. Is 3.5. Take Q as a center and cut this arc. You got 3.5. So this is a point R and this is 3.5 centimeter. This QR and this PQ are similar sides. Okay. Now from R to somewhere is S, which is 5.2, and from P also that is 5.2. So we'll take once only 5.2. So it is 5.2. So from R you can draw here 5.2 arc, and with the P as a center also that 5.2, because P to S and R to S the distance is same. So the point which you get here it is S. Join these lines and also join these two lines. Join these 2 points. This is also 5.2. This is also 5.2, and this is R. So PQRS, this quadrilateral we have made. So friends, now we need to construct a quadrilateral. It is exercise 14th D. So ABCD we have to construct, in which side AB is 6 centimeter, side CD is 5 centimeter, and side DA is 3.5 centimeter. So here if you notice, 3 sides given and 2 included angles are there. One angle D is 75 degree and angle C is what? 120 degree. So first of all we'll take these 2 angles are available, so we'll take that side, that is side CD. So we need to draw first of all side CD with 5 centimeter. So we'll draw here CD. It is 5 centimeter. So now at D we need to measure 75 and at C we need to measure 120 degree. So you can measure or you can draw. First of all 75 degree will measure here. So just take a point at D, 90, and it is 70, and here is what? 75 you can take here. So whatever point you will get, you can construct one line. At D it is what? 75, and at C also you need to get a 120. So 120 you can draw with protractor, you can here, or otherwise with rounder. So take 120 degree. Now it is coming somewhere here. So now with the D to A the distance is 3.5 centimeters. So take a radius of 3.5 in a rounder, and with the D as a center cut an arc here. So this is a point A, and it is what? 3.5 centimeter. Now this A to B, somewhere B point is located on this ray. So you need to measure 6 centimeter here. This is a 6 centimeter. So now from point A you cut this arc here. So the point which you get here is what B, and you need to just join it. It is what 6 centimeter. So friend, what is this? This is 6 centimeter. So here quadrilateral is ready. A, B, C, D. So now friends, we have to construct one more quadrilateral ABCD, in which side AB is 5 centimeter, side BC with 4 centimeter, CD with 5.5 centimeter. And again the two angles are given, angle B 45 and angle C 150. So let's start. First of all, you have to draw BC side with a 4 centimeter. So we'll take a 4 centimeter here, and we just name them BC, that is a 4 centimeter. And angle C we need to draw 105 degree. So just take this protector and measure 150 degree. It is obtuse, okay? So it is going to come here. This is, and at B we need to measure 45 degree. So 45 degree will come here, friends. 45 degree is going to come here. So just draw line here. C is going to be the obtuse angle, and this is B is going to be acute angle, 45 degree. So you can write down here, this is 150 degree and this is 45 degree. So friends, now we'll draw C to D. This is a radius measurement of 5.5. So with a C as a center, we'll cut here somewhere. We got a point D. This is a point D with a 5.5 centimeter. Now from B to A distance is 5. So just take the radius of 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Okay. So from B to A, this is what 5 centimeter. So write down here A, this is 5 centimeter, and now whatever you two got the 2 points, that you simply join. So in this way, this is our quadrilateral ABCD. So friends, now 14th E is here. ABCD we need to draw a quadrilateral in which side AB is what 6 centimeter, side BC is what 5 centimeter, angle B is 110 degree, angle D is what 90 degree, and angle A is 55 degree. So friends, first of all, angle C is not available, and the diagram we are not going to finish it. So sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral, what is that? It is going to be 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, you are going to get a 360 degree. So we'll just put the values. It is 55. Angle B is what? Angle B is 110. C is, we need to find out, that is this D 90. Why we are finding? Because our figure will remain incomplete. Okay. So friends, we'll get the addition 110 plus 55 plus 90. We'll get 255 plus angle C is equal to 360. So therefore angle C will get 360 minus this 255. So we are going to get 105 degree. This extra step we have performed here. So friend, somewhere at the C point we need to draw this 105 degree. Okay, this is 105 degree. Then the point which we get here, it is going to be 90 degree, and it is D, that angle D. So let's start making it. First of all, we'll draw AB 6 centimeter. We have to perform this extra step. Okay, this is AB, this is 6 centimeter. Now we'll do the measurement of angle A 55. So just draw 55. Here it is going to come 55. Okay friends, and angle B we want 110 degree. So here we'll take 110. This is 100 and this is 110. This is obtuse angle. So just draw the lines. Suppose this is the one, and this is for the 155. You can say angle A measures 55 and angle B measures 110. Now friend, B to C, somewhere C point is located with the distance of 5 centimeter. So just draw the 5 centimeter. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. So just take the radius 5 centimeter, B as a center, cut here. We got exact point C. This is our point C, and this is 5 centimeter. Now at C I want to draw 105. So we'll take this, and C will measure 105. So just keep and match this line. 105 is obtuse angle, is going to come here. This is 105. So friends, where is the 105 coming? Just draw the line and that let it go intersect with the another line. So it is coming here. Friend, this is 105 degree. And if you measure, it should be coming it is going to come 90 degree. Yes, if you see this line, this angle is coming what? 90 degrees. So this is D. You can get it here, 90 degree. So this is a quadrilateral ABCD. Now friends, next question is, it is possible to construct a quadrilateral in which side AB is given, side BC given, and 3 angles are given. So if not, we have to give the reason. So first of all, we know that sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is coming 360 degree. Here it is given 3 angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, which is equal to 1. First of all, we'll write A 80 plus B is 140 plus 145. So if we add this, this is coming 365 degree, which is greater than 360. Only the 3 angles itself coming more than 365. Therefore, quadrilateral is not possible. As only the sum of 3 angle is going above the 360, where is the 4th angle then? Hope you have understood it. Thank you.